As you know, the Oppo K10 5G and the Oppo A77 are the same device with different names. We have already done the unboxing, scratch and water damage test in the last video. In this video, we are going to focus on the build quality via the bend test and the drop impact resistance. With a total of 6 drops, 2 pocket drops and 4 high drops from different angles, we hope the Oppo K10 5G survives this fail season. No issues or damages whatsoever from both pocket head drops. The Oppo K10 5G or A77 survives the first round of low drops. Next, the first high drop from the bottom side. Now we see a slight damage, a tiny dent towards the backside. Next, second high drop from top side.
Assistant, here to help you throughout your day. Here are some things you can try saying to get started.
Some more damage in the form of a slightly larger dent at the right corner. Next, third high drop, dual camera unit backside. The Oppo K10 5G manages to survive the first crucial backside drop, at least for now. Next, the last finale drop you have been waiting for. Will the K10 5G survive the season of drop fails? Apart from the two dents, there are no visible signs of serious damage as of now, either physical or software-wise. Thankfully, it's a big relief the Oppo K10 5G and A77 passes the drop test at fail season. Next, on to fun stuff with value, the bend test for the build quality and structural integrity of the Oppo K10 5G. Quite a significant degree of flex from the first display side bend. There is a bit of after bend angle clearly visible. An equal amount of high bend degree, if not more, from the backside pressure. We hope that things remain same during the last bend. The plastic body may look a bit weak because of the high degree of bend, but it does manage to lock out after a certain point. The Oppo K10 5G and A77 may be the most flexible phone of this year, but it does pass the bend test.